let's do some more troubleshooting. User wants to filter dates older than 6 weeks from today. Their post specifically says they're working in an animal shelter as a cat foster coordinator, need to keep track of kittens when they need to be scheduled for surgeries, activate on the website for adopters to see, important part of their job. They want to create a filter view that shows all kittens that are 6 weeks or older. Let's take a look. So, here in my spreadsheet, I've created just some dummy information that I know theirs would have. I put names in column A, and then they say that their birth dates are in column E, so I went ahead and did the same thing. I'm not sure what other information they have, but for the purpose of the filter, that's actually irrelevant. All right, so user said they want a filter view. I'm going to go ahead and select all of the spreadsheet, then go to Data, Create Filter View. I'll go ahead and name this, say view as 6 weeks. Just that's held on to. Now, to do this, I'm going to click on the drop down on birth date. I'm going to filter by condition, and I'm going to do date is before. It defaults to today, but you can use exact date to type in a formula. My formula is going to be equals today minus 6 weeks times 7 days per week, right? Because today is giving me in days, I need weeks. So for weeks, I would multiply 6 times 7, subtract that from today, hit OK. And there it shows the, what do we have here? 17 kittens that are older than 6 weeks. Now if I close this filter view and then go data and filter views 6 weeks, it opens up immediately to that filter view with all the kittens older than 6 weeks already filtered out.